Good day, everyone. The lesson today is lesson number 66. Describe dilation. What is the meaning of dilation? Actually, dilation is to enlarge a figure, small figure to bigger, like the triangle here. It was smaller, and we enlarge it to big one, or the opposite, from greater, large one to smaller. So dilation, two-dimensional figure. Okay, we have two figure, one small and become bigger, or enlarge it, or reduce it. So how to do it? Let's start our first example. Okay, our first example is, what is the coordinates of the image? This is, by the way, this is example for enlargement. Enlarge an image from smaller to greater. What is the coordinates of the image A, B, C, D after dilation with the center 0.0, which is the origin point? So we'll dilate over, always we dilate over the origin point, okay? Okay, with the scale factor 2. What is the meaning of that actually? We will get directly gets the dimension or the coordinates of the first one, which is A, B, C, D, the blue one. A, B, C, D. This is the coordinates of A and B and C and D. What is the scale factor here? It's 2, so multiply by 2. This is the secret. Multiply each coordinate by 2. So 2 by 2, 4. Negative 2 by 2, negative 4. This is a new one. Second, 2 by 2, 4. 1 by 2, 2. Again, and so on for each point. So you can find the new points here as you see. This is a new point, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Draw it and you will find how we enlarge it. Okay? So it's easy. Just multiply the coordinates of the original shape or the pre-image by the scale factor. Okay? You will find the new coordinates of the new one. Okay? Very easy. Okay? And by the way, I can reduce it from smaller figure to from bigger figure to smaller one. It's called reduction or reduce. We will reduce, use the reduction of the green shape. We want to reduct it to the orange one. How? By the same way. What is the factor? You will find always. It's important to note here. If the scale, if scale factor greater than 1, that means it's enlargement. Okay. And if the scale factor is between 0 and 1, it's called reduction. Okay? It's very important to know it. Okay? So, if the scale factor is greater than 1, like the last example, it was 3. So, we enlarge, we make enlargement, makes the figure bigger. Okay? And if the scale between 0 and 1, which is fraction, so it's called reduction, as the following example. Let's see the example. Then the following example, the current example is talking about, I want to reduce the figure, the green figure to become the green one. Okay, we will, to become the orange one. First, write all the coordinates of the green one, which is P equal 6 and 8, Q 10 and 10, R 10 and 6, S 6 and 6. Then multiply it by the factors. The scale factor is 1 over 2. You will find the new images. Apply it over the graph, you will find the new one around the origin point. Okay? That's it. Okay. What about the right one here? How to solve it? A dilation maps point L 3 and 6 into the image L dash 2 and 4. Okay? Complete the dilation of figure. We need to so from these 2 points, we need to calculate the factor. Scale factor. Yes, how to calculate the scale factor? Actually, image over actual. The actual image, the coordinates of the new image over the actual one. Let's take an example. 3, the coordinate of x is 3 and 2. It will become what? 2 over 3. Okay, so it's 2 over 3. This is the scale factor. Or you can calculate it from y-axis. It's okay, it's the same. 4 over 6, simplify, divided 2, it will be 2, simplify, 3. It's the same, equal 2 over 3. So the scale factor is 2 over 3. So if you want to calculate the other points, now the scale factor is 2 over 3. Okay? We want to change all the points. L, now we have L, 3 and 6, and it becomes L dash 2 and 4. Okay? Then what about M? M, it was, M here is 3 and up 3, 3. Okay? Multiply it with the new factor. Multiply with 2 over 3. It will become 3 times 2 over 3. It will be M dash 2. Okay? Then multiply the other coordinate by, it will be 2 again. So it will be 2 and 2, M dash. What about N dash? N, the coordinate of N is 6 at x-axis, 3, 6 and 3 at y. Then multiplied by the factor, 6 multiplied 2 over 3 equal, it will be N dash, okay? 6 multiplied 2 over 3, it will be 4. And 3 multiplied 2 over 3, it will be 2. So the new points are there. Let's locate them over the graph. After we locate them, we'll find the new shape. The new shape will be, first one, L dash 2 and 4. 2x, 4 up, it will be here. Okay? This is L dash. Then, M dash 2 and 2. 2 and 2. M dash. Okay? Actually, it will be smaller because the fraction, it's a fraction less than between 0. The scale is between 0 and 1. It must be smaller shape. So, this is M dash. What about N dash? N dash, it become 4 and 2. 4, 2. It will become here. N dash. Okay, connect them. This is the new shape after we make dilation. This is the meaning of dilation. Okay? So, just multiply the new points by a factor, which is called scale factor. Okay? Okay. Let's continue and have another example. So, as a conclusion for what we say, a dilation is a transformation that results in an image with the same shape, angle, measures, and orientations as a pre-image, exactly, but different in what? In side lenses. Only. Different in what? Side lenses. It's very important. Okay? When the scale factor is greater than 1, the dilation is an enlargement, as we said before. When the scale factor is between 0 and 1, the dilation is reduction, as we said before. This is the conclusion of our lesson. Okay? Again, last example. Use the coordinates given below. 2. In figure 3, we want to. Figure 3 is an image of figure 1. 3 is image of figure 1. So it's what? Enlargement. The scale is become what? It was 1. And it become now what? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's become 4. Between 4 and 8 is 4. Okay? So how we can calculate the scale? It's enlargement. We multiply by 4. So the scale here is 4. Okay? This is the new. And the same for the second one. You can calculate it by yourself. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And see you next lesson, inshallah. Bye.